There is a formula that nearly all financial independent people know about that the rest of us have been missing out on. They don't teach you this formula in grade school, at college, or on the job. And I've yet to see it explained in a way that accommodates for our busy day-to-day life. Hey everyone, my name is Jules and this is Monkey Money. Monkey Money is all about helping you learn the skills you need to become financially independent. If you haven't already, you may want to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And to make sure you don't miss any episodes, hit the bell notification button next to it. By the end of this video, you will learn the importance of each part of the formula for becoming financially independent. The formula for financial independence is quite simple. Here it is in a nutshell. Mindset plus making money plus saving money plus growing money plus consistency over time. Mindset. When most people think about growing money, they have a fixed mindset. They say things like, I've just never been very good with my money. I have so much student loan debt that I think to myself, what's the point, and tend to do nothing about it. My life is so busy that I put my finances on the back burner and say to myself that one day I'll figure it out. There's so much information that I don't even know where to start. The problem with this kind of mindset is that it stops you from taking any action that could potentially improve your financial situation and the overall feeling of security that financial independence provides. I will go over mindset in much more detail in the next few lessons. Making money. Unless you're already financially independent, you need to make money in order to save it and then grow it. As you'll learn in Unit 2, depending upon how old you are, you most likely need to make a lot less than you think in order to reach your financial goals. Saving money. We'll also go over what to do if you're in debt. Saving money is important for 3 reasons. Number 1, it helps you develop the habit of paying yourself first. This is one of the keys to becoming financially independent. Number 2, you should always have some extra cash laying around in case of an emergency. This is called your emergency fund. And number 3, you need to save money first in order to grow it. Growing money. In Unit 4, you'll learn all about growing your money. There are so many ways to grow your money that it's overwhelming. But the research shows that one of the most effective ways to grow your money is also one of the simplest. This works out well because when our brains are prompted with complexity, we tend to become paralyzed or pressured into making bad choices. Consistency over time. In Unit 5, you'll learn the final component of the formula, consistency. Growing your money means consistency in mindset, making, saving, and growing your money over time. It's very unlikely that you can become financially independent if you are inconsistent with the habits you need to develop in order to grow your money. In this last unit, I'll show you how to create a system that will allow you to start reaching financial independence immediately. And that's it. There are only 5 simple components to the formula: mindset, making money, saving money, growing money, and consistency. In the next video, you'll learn why financial independence can help you reach your life goals. If you want to help Monkey Money out, hit that thumbs up button and share this video with one other person. And make sure you don't miss our videos. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you are the first to find out when our new videos are released. And if you want to learn how to beat 90% of professional money managers in 5 simple steps, head to monkeymoney.org and sign up. You'll get an infographic sent to your email address right away. Thanks for watching and see you next time.